This is a retro lover's dream featuring bold geometric patterns, wavy lines, and funky stars. Come and step into the 60s with April's timeless mod Manny by Me collection. Okay, so of course, it's always about the plates, right? So you'll receive 2 fab and exclusive nail stamping plates. I love this plate. I love all of the full nail designs and all of the different accent pieces that you can use on this plate. What do you think, Deb? Are we ready to move on to the polishes?
I think so.
So let's start off with Powder Puff. It's a soft powdery pink.
And then the next one is Mid Mod Blue.
A bright sky blue stamping polish with a creamy finish, and it definitely evokes the charm of the 1960s pastel fashion. And of course, no Manny by Me collection would ever be complete with our bonus surprise gift.
When you peel off this protective seal, there's so much on there. This is enough to do 2 full hands. It casts like a silvery white chrome finish, but it doesn't look like a metallic silver. It just creates like this really soft, pearly white glaze.
I feel like this is the chrome that everybody is doing right now. It is so popular. You see it everywhere.
So let me do one more design. This is definitely my favorite pattern on this plate, but I really like all of this stuff up here. It's hard to pick. I really do like these plates a lot.
Very cute. That's so fun to have the chrome background.
I love how it just adds just a shiny little touch to it. It doesn't dramatically change the color. So fun.
I know there's so many things that can be done. There's so many color palettes too for like this era.